Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 645 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or turn on your heart rate monitor on the Garmin Forerunner 645. So this video can be useful if your heart rate monitor was accidentally turned off and you're trying to figure out how to get it to turn on, or if you want to increase your battery life by turning off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Forerunner 645. So the first thing we need to do this is to hold the up button until we see the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down using the down button and select Settings using the Start or Stop button. In Settings, we're going to scroll down until we see Wrist Heart Rate. Go ahead and select that. And then right here, the status. If you see off, that means your heart rate monitor is currently off. You could turn it on by selecting it. It'll turn the auto. And if you see auto, that means it's on, and you can turn it off by simply selecting the status until it shows off. Now once we've turned off or turned on the heart rate monitor on our Garmin Forerunner 645, we can get back to the watch face by simply hitting the back button until we see it. So that's how you turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Forerunner 645. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 645 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.